Ziva presents A to Z with Pavi.
Vanakkam viewers and welcome to our show A to Z with Pavi presented by Arun Excelo Ziva. This is Pavitra Malolan and I'm going to be the host for your show today. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஷோல இன்வைட் பண்ணியிருக்கிற கெஸ்ட் பற்றி சொல்லணும்னா he is one of the very few people who took his passion very seriously and made his passion as his career. ஆமாங்க, இவர் வந்து he is a chemical engineer from BITS Pilani. And இன்னைக்கு அவரை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா he is one of the best film critics in the entire country. அவர் வந்து நேஷ்னல் அவார்ட் கூட வாங்கியிருக்காரு for being the best film critic. And he was with the Times, and then he was with the Indian Express, and then he was deputy editor with the Hindu, and he's a senior editor with Film Companion. அவர் ஒரு ஃபிலிம் கிரிட்டிக் மட்டும் இல்லை, he is a writer too. அவர் வந்து நிறைய புக்ஸ் எழுதியிருக்காரு. அண்ட் ஒன் ஆஃப் த மோஸ்ட் ஃபேமஸ் அண்ட் சூப்பர் ஹிட் புக்ஸ் வாஸ் கான்வர்சேஷன்ஸ் வித் மணிரத்னம்னு ஒரு புக்கு. நம்ம மணி சார் பற்றி ஒரு புக் எழுதி சூப்பர் ஹிட் ஆச்சு. அண்ட் அது மட்டும் இல்லை, he has also written a short film called Kalki, and he has co-written a Tamil film for a Tamil film called Kadal to Kalyanam. இதெல்லாம் விடுங்க, he has been a professor for Asian College of Journalismல சினிமா பற்றி ஒரு கோர்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்காரு. அண்ட் அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் he has been a jury member for National Film Awards. இவரை பற்றி இன்னும் தெரிஞ்சுக்க நீங்கள் மட்டும் இல்லை, நானும் ரொம்ப எக்ஸைட்டடாக இருக்கேன். ஸோ without further introduction, I would like to invite the guest of honor for our show today, Mr. Bharadwaj Rangan. So vanakkam sir, welcome to our show.
Hello, thank you for having me on your show.
Thank you so much sir, and first of all ரொம்ப நன்றி இன்னைக்கு எங்க கூட டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி இன்னைக்கு எங்க நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு வந்ததுக்கு. We are very happy to have you on our show today. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க சார்?
I'm good, thanks.
ஸோ நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்கள் ஜேர்னி வந்து இப்போ யூ ஆர் அ கெமிக்கல் இன்ஜினியர் ஃப்ரம் BITS Pilani, அண்ட் இன்னைக்கு யூ ஆர் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பெஸ்ட் ஃபிலிம் கிரிட்டிக்ஸ் இன் த என்டையர் கண்ட்ரி. ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சம்மந்தமே இல்லை. நீங்கள் எப்போ டிசைட் பண்ணீங்க ஒரு ஃபிலிம் கிரிட்டிக்காக அந்த ஆகணும் அண்ட் அதை ஒரு கரியராக நம்ம ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு எப்போ நீங்கள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்க? அதை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் ஃபியூ வேர்ட்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ண முடியுமா? பட் பிஃபோர் தட், ஐ ஆல்சோ ஹர்ட் உங்களோட காலேஜ் நிக்நேம் வாஸ் பேடின்னு. ஸோ ஹவு குட் இஸ் திஸ் பேடி? Some few words, sir.
That you just have to decide for yourself based on this interview, I guess. But chemical engineer is one of those things that happens just like everybody takes engineering because 12th mudichapro illa 10th mudichapro you have to go into one stream, and I think like you just go follow the tide and like you do engineering, medicine, law, you just prepare like science group or commerce group. So rendu da irukku, so you go to the science group and then slowly you get swept away. So எனக்கு ஆரம்பத்துலேருந்தே தெரியும் that this is not something that I can do. More than I want to do, it's something that I could not do. I think that was the main thing, that this engineering and mathematics and all was not like my, even in school I was very weak on all these subjects. So something that I could not do. So somehow like our education system is kind of geared to the fact that நம்மளால முடியலனாலும் ஒரு பழைய கொஷின் பேப்பர் வச்சு அந்த மாடல் ஃபாலோ பண்ணால் then you can kind of get through something. So that happened, but then I realized that this is not something that I can do for the rest of my life. I can't fake it. So then it went back to what I had interest in doing, and basically it was always like something related to art, movies, music, and it was also something that was writing is always something that I was kind of good at doing. So the rendu combined panni, I just thought let's give like film writing a shot. I wasn't planning on becoming a critic, I just thought I'd write about films, but then slowly the critic thing happened, and I joined the new Sunday Express, and from then on it's been a kind of a crazy ride. Yeah.
Wow sir, such an amazing story and an amazing journey. And நான் உங்களை பற்றி நிறையா கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன் from my dad, and we are very happy that you followed your passion and you are what you are today. So thank you so much for sharing with us about your career and how you have come all this way, sir.
No, I would like to just say one thing. Passion is a very loose word because see, once passion is very easy to see. Supposing sometimes when passion becomes a job, right, it's important that you realize the difference between that and a passion that remains just a passion. See, இப்போ நீங்கள் 9 to 5 ஒரு CA இருந்துட்டு or something else இருந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு மூவிஸில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குது, மியூசிக்கில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குன்னா that passion remains a pure passion because you're not using it for commercial purposes or whatever it is. But for me, that passion has gotten converted into a job. So now I'm one of the few lucky ones where I kind of genuinely still retain a lot of the passion that and there are lots of things that I do that. But the point is that people can get very disappointed sometimes when they say I'm going to follow my passion, and then they go into one field, especially a creative field, and realize that there is a lot of uncertainty there, and which is not there in a regular job like an IT job or like a CA job or like a lawyer job or whatever it is, where it's a lot more. It may not be as glamorous sounding. The pata, you won't be going to international film festivals and all that, but there's a certain steadiness in that, because any job that requires your name to be above the line is always a bit of it's a risky job option, is what I'll say.
Absolutely, sir. And அது அவ்வளோ கரெக்டாக சொன்னீங்க, பிகாஸ் following passion is not easy, and it is not an easy task to keep your passion as a job. And we are very happy that you have successfully, you are being successful in this field and being a role model for all of us. So thanks for inspiring us, sir.
I don't know if I'm a role model, but I'll take your word for it. Thank you.
We spoke about how you started your career, sir, and இதை பற்றி நான் உங்ககிட்ட கண்டிப்பாக கேட்டே ஆனோம். பிகாஸ் இப்போ இந்த ஜென்ரேஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இப்போ யார் யூடியூப் சேனல் ஆரம்பித்தாலும் ஒரு மூவி கிரிட்டிக்காக ஆகிடலாங்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது. பட் ஆனாலும் தெர் ஆர் ஒன்லி வெரி ஃபியூ நேம்ஸ் ஹூ பீப்புள் ரெஸ்பெக்ட். இவரோட ரிவ்யூஸ் பார்த்தோன்னா நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக அந்த ஒரு ஃபுல் சப்ஜெக்ட் மேட்டர் எக்ஸ்பர்ட்டாக இருப்பாங்க, ஒரு நாலேஜ் கிடைக்கும், கண்டிப்பாக வி கேன் கோ வாட்ச் அ மூவிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் வரும். அண்ட் யூர் ஒன் ஆஃப் த டாப் மோஸ்ட் இன் தட். யுவர் நேம் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த டாப் மோஸ்ட் இன் தட், சார். And இந்த being the best film critic, you even won a national award. So first, I want to know, how was the national award moment for you? And secondly, in the success eppadi sir vanduchu, how did you gain the confidence with people? Adha patti konja few words can you share with us?
I just am very uncomfortable with words like success, gain the confidence, இதெல்லாம், because நம்ம வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல்டில் இருந்தால் நம்ம பண்ணுறது தான் நம்ம பண்ண முடியும். திங்ஸ் லைக் சக்ஸஸ் ஆர் getting people's confidence or whatever it is, அதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் பீப்புளை தான் கேட்கணும். But as far as I know, I think people look for some. At least when I look at review, இப்போ எனக்கு என்னன்னா, இப்போ I'm reading 5 reviews of a film. If all the 5 are the same, then I don't need to read more than one. இப்போ எனக்கு வந்து ரெண்டாவது ரிவ்யூ எப்போ படிக்கணும்னு தோணுன்னா, அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரிவ்யூலேருந்து ஏதாவது வித்தியாசமாக கொடுத்தா தென் ஐ வாண்ட் டு ரீட் இட், பிகாஸ் இந்த வியூ பாயிண்ட்லேயும் இந்த பையன் பார்க்குறான், இந்த பொண்ணு பார்க்குறாங்க. ஸோ தட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபார் மீ. ஸோ வென் ஐ அஸ்யூம் வாட் ஐம் டூயிங் இஸ் கிவிங் something that like maybe other people are not giving, just like other people are giving something that I'm not giving. The point is that you have to have a USP. இல்லைனா you cannot, as they say, cut through the clutter. ஒரு USP இருக்கணும், அந்த USP வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கணும். ஸோ யூ கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அது வந்து நீங்கள் ஜாலியாக பேசலாம், இல்லை நீங்கள் சீரியஸாக சப்ஜெக்ட் மேட்டரை பற்றி பேசலாம், வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ். பீப்புள் யூ மைட் யூஸ் you might want to tear the movie down. Whatever it is, you have to have a USP that makes people say, okay, I want to see this person's video or I want to read this person's review. And I think that has happened over time. There has been a bit of a USP that happened. It also happened because I started long before social media. So since I started around 2003, அப்போ வந்து இவ்வளோ ஃபிலிம் கிரிட்டிக்ஸ் இல்லை, ஒரு 4-5 பேர் தான் இருந்தாங்க வெப்பில் ஆரம்பித்தவங்க. ஸோ இட் வாஸ் ரெலட்டிவ்லி ஈஸி டு மேக் யுவர் செல்ஃப் நோன். Whereas இன்னைக்கு ஆரம்பிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு I think it becomes more difficult to make yourself known, because there are just so many people out there doing film reviews and things like that. So yeah, but national award always feels, any kind of recognition feels good. But எனக்கு actually இது ஒரு validation என்னன்னா, when you start a path like this, the people around you, your friends and family, they are little worried for you. They don't know what you're doing. நீங்க பண்றது சரியா தப்பா அதெல்லாம் தெரியாது. Especially, I know this sounds a little sexist, but especially if you're a guy in India, people get very worried about things like earning potential or whether the career is going well or something like that. So I think more than my personal happiness, I think the national award was a validation to people say, okay, pa, இது legitimate career தான், இதுக்கு ஏதோ maybe people recognize this career, so இதில் ஏதோ இருக்கு போல இருக்கு, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு லைக் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனுக்கு ஒரு ப்ராப்பர் ரெக்கக்னிஷன் இருக்குங்கிறது, I think that was the main at least for me, that was the main takeaway from the national awards, that people around me started like stop saying things like, okay, passion is on, you give it a chance, parvala, why don't you get back to a regular job now? That kind of conversation stopped happening. So I was very happy about that.
Really nice and மறுபடியும் ரொம்ப அருமையா you have shared that experience with us. And நம்ம அடுத்த segmentல we have more interesting questions for you, sir. But நம்ம அடுத்த segment போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி let's go for a short commercial break.
Arun Excello Ziva presents A to Z with Puppies. Arun Excello Ziva presents A to Z with Puppies.
Welcome back to the show, viewers, and you're watching A to Z with Pavi, presented by Arun Excello Ziva. So, வணக்கம் sir, welcome back to our show again. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு காலிவுட்ல மட்டும் இல்ல, from a reviewer point of view, நீங்க வந்து பாலிவுட், ஹாலிவுட்லயும் ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஏன்னா you have written reviews for all the movies. So, நீங்க எந்த industry you like the most and why? அதை பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சொல்ல முடியுமா?
For two reasons I like writing about Indian cinema. One is that இப்போ Hollywood films or foreign films பற்றி எழுதுறதுக்கு நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க வேர்ல்டு வைட். Whereas Indian films context பற்றி Indian films பற்றி கான்டெக்ஸ்டோட எழுதுறதுக்கு we are only like only people from within here can do that. So I think one of the great pleasures I have is to kind of contextualize Indian cinema and present it to a hopefully like non-Indian audience as well. Yeah, so Tamil mainstream cinema, Hindi mainstream cinema, I think I think that's what you really need to be writing about, because நீங்க வந்து ஒரு கிறிஸ்டோபர் நோலன் பற்றி படத்தை பற்றி எழுதினா you'll be like some 7,000th review, or that by the time your review comes out, you know, some 6,999 people would have already come out with the review. Whereas with the Tamil film or with the Hindi film, you're actually contributing something relatively unique to a conversation. So I think that's more interesting.
Absolutely, and again an amazing answer by you. And asking about this, நீங்க வந்து இப்போ ஒரு ஏஷியன் காலேஜ் ஆஃப் ஜேர்னலிசம்னு ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஸராக இருக்கீங்க, அண்ட் நீங்கள் சினிமா பற்றி ஒரு கோர்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கீங்க சார். ஸோ வாட் டு யூ ஆக்சுவலி டேக் இன் தட் கோர்ஸ்?
Right, I'm not a professor. I'm more like an adjunct faculty. Yeah.
So sir, I want to ask you, what did you actually take in that movie course? And also, இப்போ upcoming movie critics some or a few tips for this gen upcoming movie critics.
On the course I take every year, and of course I don't know next year eppadi edukka poren, because I don't know what this COVID situation is going to be like. But basically, one of the things I've always felt strongly about is that in India we are a very science and math oriented country. So we are very used to hard and fast answers. Like, you know, we want everything to be like 2 + 2 = 4. There is no other answer for it. But when you take art, 2 + 2 can equal 4, 7, 8. It all depends on how you're viewing it, right? So it's like that kind of, what I try to do in that course is give people the flexibility to kind of stop, like put themselves into that movie and take away from it what they want to, rather than saying that this is what the director is trying to say, this is what the movie is about. And the mari fixed answers illama, like try to kind of like have a conversation with the movie and kind of get involved with it, like in a way that you're not taught to do with science and math. And you cannot do with science and maths, because beyond a point, like, you know, you have a certain when you're dealing with things with fixed things. I'm not talking about higher studies, I'm talking about basic school stuff. So that's what I try to do. Like basically, you know, when you read a poem, for instance, in school, typically your teacher teaches you that unless you have a really good teacher, they'll teach you that this is what this line means, this is what this metaphor means, this is what this simile means, or whatever it is. But adala tandi, you know, sometimes you may have, the poem may speak to you a little differently. And just similarly, I just try to push my students to a zone where they can kind of look beyond the plot and things like that, and kind of really kind of surrender to a movie. Yeah,
That's really nice, because we are going beyond just engineering or the commerce field. In the generation, I bet a lot of them are going ahead with that, and I'm very happy you're doing this and you're teaching such courses, sir. You're making people follow their dreams, and I'm very happy. We're all really happy that you're doing this. Thank you so much for sharing few words about that. And நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு film critic மட்டும் இல்லாமல் you have been a writer also. So like you have written books, and then you have also written for a Tamil rom-com, and நீங்கள் ஒரு short film கூட எழுதிட்டீங்க called Kalki. So how different is it from writing a review for a movie? அதை பற்றி ஏதாச்சும் கொஞ்சம் சொல்ல முடியுமா?
Writing is writing. In the broadest sense, you need to have a sense of architecture. ஸோ நீங்கள் எப்படி ஆரம்பிக்க போகிறீங்க, எப்படி கண்டினியூ பண்ண போகிறீங்க, how your segues are, and how you're going to take it to a finish. So whether you're writing a movie or whether you're writing a review or an article or whatever it is, you're not going to drastically change the way you approach things. Structurally there are differences, yes, because like ஒரு ஆர்டிக்கல் எழுதும்போது you'll have paragraphs, ஒரு மூவி எழுதும்போது you'll have scenes, but on the flow from one scene to another scene is not very different from the way you'll flow from one paragraph to another paragraph. Basically, when I say structure, that's what it is. So I think it's not terribly different, but yeah, like I think what's fun about writing a screenplay is that you get to put yourself into the heads of other characters and imagine avanga idella pannuvaanga. So that's really like interesting, because whereas when you're writing an article, you're responding to a movie. You are saying that I saw this film and these are the things that struck me about it. So it's kind of a conversation after watching something. Whereas when you're writing something, you're kind of having a conversation with something invisible going on inside you, because the characters are something that only you have seen inside your head, and you're trying to make them talk, and you're trying to develop a world around them. So that's really interesting.
Absolutely, and beautifully said and beautifully penned in the book also, sir. And please keep writing more books also, sir. We all wish to see more books of yours coming soon in the future. And நீங்கள் வந்து நிறைய international film festivals attend பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. So it is like, actually to be honest, it's like a dream come true moment for a lot of film aspirants. So அங்கேருந்து you would have obviously learned a lot of things. நீங்கள் அங்கே international film festival போயிட்டு, did you have any learnings that you would like to share with us?
Film festivals, it's like, it sounds very glamorous, but I always make it a point to go maybe 1 or 2 days before and enjoy the location and take in a new place, because once this festival gets started, it's basically you're running from theater to theater, and you're basically watching movies all day, so and coming back writing for the next day, so it's very, very hectic. But I think what's nice is that, like I just told you about film language, and I think it's very nice to learn different languages, right? So this is how we take films in India, and this is how they make films in Europe, or somewhere like different France or Germany or Latin America or wherever. So I think it's basically keeping up with the advances in film technology, technique, and language. I think that's where it really comes to help. Plus you get to meet a lot of people who are as interested in this as you are. So I think that's what really makes a big difference in terms of this whole thing working out. I think a lot of people think that this is just like, it sounds so much fun and all that, and I keep telling my students it's not. It's actually a lot of work, but you really have to, but in the sense that it is work, but it's work that you like doing, because you like films, you like talking about films, you like analyzing films. So yeah, so it's work, but it's work that you like doing. That's what it is.
Nichama, sir, and meeting new people with a similar mindset, and of course enjoying the place, and it's all like a new and a lovely experience, and thank you for sharing that with us. And நம்ம அடுத்த segmentல வந்து we are having some fun activity waiting for you, but before we move on to the next segment, let's take a kutti break.
Arun Excello Ziva presents A to Z with Pavis. Arun Excello Ziva presents A to Z with Pavis.
Welcome back to the show, viewers, and you're watching A to Z with Pavi, presented by Arun Excello Ziva. So welcome back again, sir. And நம்ம வந்து இப்போ ஒரு லாஸ்ட் செக்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் our ஷோக்கு வந்தாச்சு. So we are having a குட்டி fun activity for you. ஸோ இது வந்து ஒரு ரேபிட் ஃபயர் ரவுண்ட் மாதிரி வைக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ நீங்கள் அதை விளையாட ரெடியா சார்?
Yes.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் என்னன்னா, நீங்கள் வந்து இப்போ நிறையா மூவிஸ்க்கு வந்து ரிவ்யூஸ் எழுதிருக்கீங்க. பட் இப்போ நீங்களே ஒரு படம் டைரக்ட் பண்ண போறீங்க. அப்போ whom do you think should write the review for your movie?
The audience.
ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். இஃப் மணிரத்னம் சார் வந்து உங்கள் புக்கை பார்த்து செம்மையாக இம்ப்ரெஸ் ஆகி அடுத்த என்னோட ரொமான்டிக் ஃபிலிம்க்கு நீங்கள் தான் ஹீரோ அப்படின்னு உங்ககிட்ட சொல்லிட்டாரு. அண்ட் ஹீரோயினை நீ யார் வேணாலும் சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோப்பான்னு உங்ககிட்ட சொல்லிட்டாரு. அப்போ நீங்கள் எந்த ஹீரோயினை சூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க அண்ட் வை தட் ஹீரோயின்?
இது நடக்கவே நடக்காது. ஸோ ஐ டோன்ட் even think we're going into this question.
It's a hypothetical situation, sir.
No, I don't see this happening. But yeah, one of my favorite heroines is Vidya Balan, and I think she's a great actress. So if I had to do a role opposite somebody, maybe I'd ask her. Yeah.
Lovely, sir, lovely. And நீங்கள் இப்போ மணிரத்னம் சார் பற்றி புக் எழுதினீங்க. இதே மாதிரி நீங்கள் இப்போ ஒரு if you want to write a book about someone else, அது யாராக இருக்கும்?
See, basically, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு book எழுதுறோம்னா they have to have, by the time I wrote this, Maniratnam had some 22 to 25 movies behind him. So he'd been working since 1983. So you're talking about somebody who's been through a few generations of movie making and made a significant body of work. Right now, I don't, it might be too early to talk about who I would do such a book with. I wanted to write a book like this about K. Balachandran, but then he passed away before I could get around to it. Yeah.
Okay, we are eagerly waiting for that update soon, sir. And இப்போ வந்து உங்களை வச்சு ஒரு பயோபிக் எடுக்க போறாங்கன்னா எந்த ஹீரோ will best suit your role?
You know, being a film critic is one of the most boring things ever for a biopic. I don't think you can't show somebody typing all day. So I don't think this is ever going to happen either. So yeah, but yeah, I don't know, this is something so hypothetical that I can't even begin to answer.
And இப்போ வந்து one quick advice for the next gen movie aspirants.
I would say make sure you really like Indian films, because you like Indian films got a peculiar grammar irukku, but like the way we use certain elements of melodrama or music or whatever it is. So உங்களுக்கு like I'm saying that if you don't like Indian films, then you shouldn't be writing about Indian films. So because it'll create I'm not saying you shouldn't, but it'll create a kind of either when you really want, you can't keep saying things like, oh, look at Hollywood, avanga andha marila padam padranga, நம்ம இன்னும் இதே ஹீரோ ஹீரோயினை வச்சு பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். You can't say that, because beyond a point, you have to see how they do that, and if majority of your audiences are want this kind of stuff, then you have to be where the audiences are. So adu purinju you have to kind of review. So I think your first qualification is you need to really really like Indian films, and kind of make sure that that's something and of course adu vandu vaara vaara nadakradanaala you have to have a lot of interest in it beyond. So I always tell people, see, first start a blog, do this for, or a YouTube channel. Do this for 6 months, every movie that is released. If after 6 months you still feel that, and that not when you want, but you see a movie Friday, first day, first show, and by the afternoon your review should be out. You do this for like 6 months. 6 மாசத்துக்கு அப்புறம் you still feel that, oh, இதான் எனக்கு பண்ணணும்னா, then you maybe give it a chance. But if you grow bored by the 3rd month, then you know that, okay, it's something that you cannot continue, because it's a lot of work. It's like being on a treadmill. Like your weekends are gone. மற்றவங்க எல்லாம் ஃப்ரைடே சாட்டர்டே சண்டே என்ஜாய் பண்ணலான்றாங்க. that's the period you'll be the busiest. So I think be prepared for, be interested and then be prepared for what it is. Yeah.
Lovely. And அவ்வளோ அருமையா நீங்க ஒரு quick tips you have given for all the youngsters. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, sir. And we have come to the last question. உங்களோட future plans என்ன?
Keep doing this as much as I can. அவ்வளோதான் என்ன ஃபியூச்சர் பிளான்ஸ். இனிமேல் ஃபியூச்சர் பிளான்ஸ் இட்ஸ் லைக் இப்போ எல்லோரும் கோவிட்ல we are all affected. ஃபியூச்சர் என்னன்னே தெரியல. ஸோ ஐ திங்க் ரைட் நவ் இஸ் when you really realize that என்ன பிளான் பண்ணாலும் there is something out there that can completely sidetrack what's happening. So I think future plansலாம் I don't know, but right now temporarily I hope that we are all able to come out of this situation in a good way.
Kandipa sir, even we are all hoping for that same. And with that note, we have come to the end of our show. First of all, a huge round of applause. and rapid fire super விளையாடிட்டீங்க. And thank you so much for joining with us on our show today. It was really a pleasure having you with us today on our show, sir.
It was really a pleasure to be here, and I wish Shankara TV viewers all the very best. சேஃபாக இருங்க, கவர்மெண்ட் சொல்கிற இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்கள். பிகாஸ் என்னதான் பெயினாக இருந்தாலும் ஒரு ரீசனுக்காக தான் எல்லோரும் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ முடிஞ்ச மட்டும் வீட்டிலே இருங்க. தட் இஸ் த பெஸ்ட் திங் ஃபார் எவ்ரிபடி.
தேங்க்யூ சார். அண்ட் பிஃபோர் சைனிங் ஆஃப், நம்ம அருண் எக்ஸலோ ஜீவாவோட ஸ்டே அட் ஹோம் எடிஷன் பற்றி என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? அதில் தான் இவன் வி ஆர் டூயிங் த ஷோ கால்ட் A to Z with Pavi. So it's a lockdown edition show. So any few words about that?
See, anything that provides கொஞ்சம் entertainment and diversion during this time for people at home நல்லது தான். ஸோ பிகாஸ் இப்போ ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் நிறைய வந்து டிவியோட இதில் தான் நிறைய வந்துட்டுருக்கு, யூடியூப்பில் தான் நிறைய வந்துட்டுருக்கு. ஸோ ஐ திங்க் தட்ஸ் ரியலி குட் திங் that you guys are doing. So keep it up and keep going.
Thank you so much, sir, and it was a pleasure having you on our show today. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me over.
Hi viewers, I hope you all enjoyed our show today. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு ரொம்ப இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவ் அண்ட் ரொம்ப ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் செஷனாக போச்சு. And we got to know a lot about movie and how a movie critic works. So it was a very interesting session. And இதே மாதிரி நாங்கள் அடுத்த எபிசோட்ஸ்க்கு இன்னும் நிறைய கெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரம் ரொம்பவே டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபீல்ட்ஸை இன்வைட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So keep watching the space for more updates. And this is Pavitra Malolan signing off for the day as your host, and you're watching A to Z with Pavi presented by Arun Excello Ziva. Stay safe, be positive.
Arun Excello Ziva presents A to Z with Pavi.